We begin with worrying developments out of Little Bay in Westmoreland, where the operators of heavy-duty equipment had to abandon plans to demolish several houses in the area. Angry residents poured gasoline on the equipment, threatening to set it ablaze. The police arrived in time before the situation escalated. Now this is the latest in an ongoing dispute between the owner of the land and residents.
They pull up, they come off the truck, and they're ready to come over. And I got so nervous. I believe me, talk about heart attack, strokes. I think I just missed that. It's the help of the people who come over and start to support me.
With the bullies him, sir, and you live in Jamaica. So where you going to put me now? One question and answer it, please. Where you going to put me when you move all the way? Where we are going to go? Where picnic them are going to go? Where them are going to live? People live at 50, 60, 70 years unmolested. And this white man come from nowhere. Same one land, and we can't understand what they go on.
Now, a global private equity firm has claimed that plans to spend nearly $8 billion to build 2 5-star hotels have been stalled by the failure of the government to remove squatters in Little Bay and Brighton in Westmoreland.